Irregular verbs. Part 2. Base form. Past form. Past participle. Buy. I buy groceries every week. Bought. She bought a new car yesterday. Bought. They have bought a new house. Drink. I drink water every day.
Drank. She drank coffee this morning.
Drunk. They have drunk all the juice. Sleep. I sleep for 8 hours every night. Slept. She slept for 12 hours yesterday. Slept. They have slept in a tent. Stand. I stand in line at the bus stop. Stood. She stood there for an hour. Stood. They have stood in the rain. Understand. I understand the question. Understood. She understood the answer right away. Understood. They have understood the instructions. Fall. I fall down sometimes. Fell. He fell off his bike yesterday. Fallen. They have fallen asleep. Pay. I pay my bills online. Paid. He paid for the dinner. Paid. They have paid all the fees. Wake. I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. Woke. She woke up late this morning. Woken. They have woken up already. Wear. I wear a suit to work. Wore. She wore a beautiful dress to the party. Worn. They have worn their jackets all day. Win. I win the game every time. Won. She won the competition last year. Won. They have won several awards. Break. I break my pencil often. Broke. He broke the glass by accident. Broken. They have broken the window. Build. I build houses for a living. Built. They built a new bridge last year. Built. He has built a successful business. Cut. I cut the paper with scissors. Cut. She cut her finger while cooking. Cut. They have cut all the vegetables. Draw. I draw pictures in my free time. Drew. She drew a beautiful portrait. Drawn. They have drawn many sketches. Thanks for watching.